evening lovelies, it's Lovelies here and I'm here with an impromptu video today. I was not planning on filming today, but I got something in the post and I got really excited and I thought, why not do an unboxing? So this is for the Telfar bag that I ordered back in August. So I ordered this bag from their Telfar Bag Security Program, where they kind of released, I think they released all their bags in all the colours for I think it was like 72 hours or something like that, and you could get your hands on a Telfar bag. And at that time it was really difficult to get your hands on the Telfar bag. It was trending on Twitter, people wanted it, but we just couldn't get the access for it. If you had money during those 72 hours or those 48 hours or however long it was, then you know the gods were in your favour, because basically ever since then there's been kind of intermittent releases of different colours and different sizes of the bags, but that was like the one opportunity where you can literally get any bag of your choice in any colour in any size. So your girl got one. Actually, the brand release program was only available for 24 hours, I've just read, so it was like a super exclusive drop, super exclusive opportunity. If you had money then good to you. If not, then you know, better luck next time. And this brand is a black owned luxury brand, so I feel even more kind of compelled to kind of share it and talk about it. I got the standard regular, like the iconic tote shopping bag type style. I think it's really important is if I tell you the costings, because I was looking for a UK outlet, so I was looking on like the Outnet, I was looking at Selfridges, I was looking at all those sort of high-end stores, and I just couldn't find it. So I actually ordered it from the Telfar website itself, which meant that I had to pay shipping. So here is my order summary. So my total for the bag itself was $202. and my shipping was a flat rate of $65, and that was like super secure shipping. Like your shit ain't gonna go missing, it's gonna get to you. And that was $65, and I was so reluctant to pay this. I was so reluctant to get the bag because of the shipping itself, I'm gonna be honest with you. But then I thought, well, compared to how much I would pay if I was able to get it in the UK, I probably would have to pay a bit more for the bag. And I just sucked it up. I was just like, hey, you know, this is like the one opportunity that you're probably gonna buy a bag like this, like just go for it, whatever. So as you can probably already see, I've already opened a box. I opened a box on Instagram, but I'm gonna open a bag now. It's really exciting. Okay, so she comes in a plastic bag first. It says that, so this is a medium shopper. This is a size that I wish I can get something for reference. So, okay, no, I'm just gonna start breaking my space if I start doing that. So I would say it's like it feels like an A4 book size bag, if that's what we're going on. I got it in OG orange. I don't know what I was thinking when I got it in orange, but here you know, we're here now, so I was clearly feeling colourful. Okay, so she comes in a cute canvas duster bag, which is pretty standard for a lot of bags. Okay. Oh, she's orange. Okay, she's orange. She's orange. It's orange. I don't know why I'm acting shook. Like, of course it's orange. Okay. Oh, she's pretty. Okay. Hold on. I feel like I need to be like delicate, but she aight. Okay. Bruh. Okay, so I feel like, okay. She's orange. She's orange, yeah? She's orange. Actually, you know what? Okay, let me talk you through the bag. she's orange, in case you didn't notice. So this is a medium shopper Telfar bag. It's about, oh, it comes in perfect condition. I will say that it feels super, super supple. Yes, it's $200 for a bag that's not leather, but I mean, if you're about that vegan life, then that's all good for you. And yeah, I spent $200 on a bag that wasn't leather, which is fine actually, and also animal friendly and vegan friendly. So she comes with long straps. I don't know if I can get it all in frame. She comes with long straps, and she also comes with a cute little holding strap, which is probably what I would use it for the most. Anyway, I was thinking this would make a really good holiday bag, but I think with the long straps, I mean, the girl's got options. Do you know what I mean? The girl has got options, but I'm not so sure. I'm not sure if it's the right size. Let me see inside. Okay. Oh, okay. So inside, let me show you. So inside, she's also orange with the little like Telfar label inside, and there's a little zip compartment as well. That would be good for your mobile phone or lip balm or whatever it is. I don't know, you know. What I will say is, I do feel like I've bought a little bit of history. I don't know why. I think this is like the start of the revolution of like black super luxury brand, not super luxury, but entry-level luxury brands, that's for sure. I know Telfar's mission is to make it accessible, the brand accessible to everyone, and I think that they've accomplished that. And I still think that they're, you know, really kind of pushing that. They don't want to be a super exclusive brand, but equally I think they've got enough following to keep people interested and to keep people wanting to buy their brands. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with an orange bag. I'm gonna be honest with you. I think I ordered this back in August. It was sunny, maybe I was feeling a little bit more expressive. I don't know if I would have chosen orange if I'd ordered it now, but I'm gonna make it work. I think for reference, what I'm gonna try and do is I'm gonna see what I can fit in it to see how practical it is. So here we go. So this is my chunky ass water bottle, so I'm gonna put that in there because I do take that around with me. I know that I'm crazy. Okay, these straps are gonna get annoying, I think. And then my laptop. So I think this is like a standard 13-inch. Oh, okay. Okay. Wow. Oh, but you see, okay. Let me rethink. Okay, with stuff in it, this bag looks gorgeous. It bangs. It actually bangs now. I can see it take shape. Okay, what else do I wear? Okay, so let me put my phone in it. Put my phone in it. Put it in a little like wallet thing. What else? I don't know. Usually I carry like some sort of makeup bag, but obviously I was not prepared. I was not planning on filming this evening, but it's got space. Like, I don't know if you can see, like, let me not like rip these handles. There is space in there. I don't know, you know, I think my mind's been changed. I think initially I was like, a bit orange, but actually now I see the vision. I'm gonna stand up. Could be cute. I could do a styling video in it. Let me know if you think I should do a styling video. I'll try and get one done. Anyway guys, I'm gonna leave it there. This is just a super impromptu video about the Telfar bag. Would I recommend that you get one? Yeah, if it's accessible to you. I still feel away about $65 shipping. I'm hoping that it comes to the UK and they're far more accessible. The orange is a vibe, but what I will say is it's not an everyday vibe. Orange is a vibe though. Pray for me in terms of styling this bag. But yeah, if you've got access to it, definitely get one. They're fun. They are really fun. I think this is gonna be like my fun bag. And yeah, this is just, to me, this just signifies so much. It signifies like just community, you know, and I think that's really the ethos of the brand as well. I will leave a link to the Telfar website so you guys can get all schooled up on the brand. But yeah, that's my video for you guys today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.